As mentioned in previous sections, this application has been designed to accept two different formats of Backflow test report. The first is where the user already has their own PDF of the test report. The second is where the user does not have their own PDF and need to submit a test result into the Del-Co provided form. This video will cover the second one, where we will enter values into the form without a PDF. Please see subsequent sections about identifying a device or how to find a Backflow device if you're unsure of how to do so. So let's assume that we have a device that we need to test. The device can be identified in several ways. The first is by left-clicking on the device, which will open what's called the map tip window here. Another way is using the Identify tool in the toolbar, where the user can draw various shapes around the device to identify it. Identifying the device will bring it up in this left-hand window pane here. And finally, a third way is by right-clicking with the mouse and clicking Find Data on the Map, which will also identify the device in this left-hand window pane. Each of these ways produces the same result and can be done interchangeably. Once the correct test or correct device has been identified, click the Submit Test button. In this case, since we don't have a PDF, we're going to click the Form button, which will bring up the identical fields that are found on most test report forms. Check the box for Test Pass to make these fields available. Notice that without this box checked, you will receive a confirmation that you can only submit a passing test, and these fields will be grayed out until this box has been checked. Follow the fields provided and enter information into each one. This section refers to the address of the building where the device is located. The tester field will be pre-populated with the signed-in user. Please be aware of this so that if you are signed in as someone else, or if you are an administrator entering tests for a plumber, that you'll need to clear this field out and put your own name or the tester's name in here, rather, if your name is pre-populated in this field. The test date field defaults to the current date. So please use this date picker to change the date if the device was tested on a different date. This section below lists the information that Del-Co currently has on the device. Please review this information for accuracy. For instance, if the serial number on the device is incorrect, you can enter the correct serial number here to notify us of the change. Once you're sure of every piece of information in the form, click Submit at the bottom. The first message that pops up will be a confirmation that you have made changes to the device's information. If you want to go back and make changes or further changes to the device, click Cancel and you'll be returned to this form. This message will only show up if the user makes changes to the device information. If you're confident of the changes, click OK. The next message will let you know that the backflow test has been successfully submitted to Del-Co. You can click OK. A third message will pop up only, again, if you've made changes to the device information. And this will let you know that the change request has been sent to Del-Co staff for us to fix the device information based on the information you found in real life. You can click OK to close that, and panning the map, you'll see that a green box now shows up over top of that device, giving the user further confirmation that the test was successfully submitted to Del-Co.